Recently, we've all seen this type of website generated with AI, and it's not that it looks bad, it looks terribly bad because everyone can see on the spot that it has been generated by AI in 2 minutes. So today I want to teach you how to level up the design of your platforms to make it yours and a bit more professional. The first thing to understand is that it's not the fault of your tool, it's the way we communicate with AI that give very generic output. So you want to give as many references and details on how you want the website to be for it to give you an output that matches your thinking. If you don't have any idea on the design or you're not too sure, I'm going to show you on Enter.pro how you can make a real difference. The first thing is when you click on New Project, you have a wide range of templates you can use from our community, check what you like and click on Remix. Then you can directly talk with the AI to make the change in the content and keep the beautiful UI design. Then you have the component part, which is more on a deeper level or detail level. If you want to change some bars, some navigation tools, really make it yours and implement it directly on the platform. At the end, when you want to make some changes, let's say on the font or the colors or small changes, you can click directly on the visual editor and make the change, save it and publish your website. In that way, you have a very authentic, your DNA platform that you can show and that people will trust as a real platform and not something that they've seen all day long generated by AI.